In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money on Twitter, now called X. Let's get into it. First, enable creator ad revenue sharing. You need X Premium for $8 per month, 500 followers, and 5 million impressions in the last 3 months. Go to Settings, click Monetization, enable ad revenue sharing, and connect your Stripe account. You earn money when premium users view ads in your replies. Second, turn on subscriptions. Charge followers $2.99 to $9.99 per month for exclusive content. Go to Monetization in Settings and set it up. Third, enable tips. Let followers send you money through Cash App or PayPal directly from your profile. No follower requirement, and X takes 0%. Fourth, use affiliate marketing. Join programs like Amazon Associates, share your affiliate links and posts, and earn commissions when people buy. Fifth, get sponsored posts. Brands pay you to promote their products. With 10,000 to 50,000 followers, you can charge $100 to $500 per post. Focus on high engagement content, post consistently, and reply to other creators to grow faster. And that's it. That's how to earn money on Twitter in 2026. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.